Hello traders, the title of the video is Elliott Wave Trader shed green light on Elliott Wave principle trading. Alright, so talking about green lights, we are talking about what will help us to find those green pastures, alright, those green trading opportunities, all right, using the Elliott Wave principle. So I have a question for you. Has the Elliott Wave theory been helping you to find those high probability trading setup? Because that's the objective of using the Elliott Wave principle, to find ready-made, all right, green, beautiful green, trading opportunity. Talking about green, meaning that variable, reliable, trading setup. That's the point of using the Elliott Wave principle. But I know that many Elliott Wave traders out there have been struggling to find those green, Elliott Wave trading signal, when they are trading. Why? So they can't wave, they recognize the Elliott Wave principle. In fact, they have read a lot of Elliott Wave books. They attended a lot of Elliott Wave forums, seminars, and so on. But they could not use the Elliott Wave principle to find a green Elliott Wave trading signal. And I'm going to help you to do that today. There's something missing. That's what we call the missing puzzle. This is what I've been doing recently with traders, talking about practical Elliott Wave trading, draw line, draw channel, and so on. So this is another example again. If you look carefully here, I have counted my wave: first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave. And we were here, I was telling you, we are in the fifth wave. And you can see, as I told you before, when we are in the fifth wave can be extended. So though we were putting it there, you see, it was extended. This is a practical Elliott Wave trading. All right. So this is a very interesting case. That's why I'm recording this video. I'm not repeating myself. It's a very interesting scenario that will help you. That's why I call it shedding green light on Elliott Wave principle trading. So now you count your wave like this. What do you do now to get paid, to find the green signal? You want to remember the chart pattern. How do you set a target for the head and shoulder chart pattern? How do you set a target for a round pattern? How do you set a target for inverted head and shoulder? Because technical traders set targets. Why? Because the price does not go out for no reason. So as an Elliott Wave trader, there are many ways that we set price target. We can use Elliott Wave forecast to set a price target. We can use Elliott Wave Fibonacci extension to set a target. We can use market geometry to set a price target. But at the beginning of technical trading, traders were using chart pattern, and they were using chart pattern to set target. And it's still going on today, and there are what we call chart pattern recognition software that are doing that again in the financial market. So for you as an Elliott Wave trader, to find those green Elliott Wave trading signal, because we are talking about shedding green light, you want to remember those things. You know it already. Probably you have not been using it, or you have forgotten about it, or you dump it. So probably you have been using them before, and not successfully. Now you find something more powerful, Elliott Wave principle, and then you dump them. What you should do now is to go back to those things that were not working before and use them in conjunction with something more powerful. So the Elliott Wave principle will shed the green light on those methods that we were using before. So if you measure the width of this round bottom here, you see here, it went round. 180-degree turn, yes or no? Pull back. This is what they call, cap and handle. So this is the cap, and this is the handle here. And now boom, up. You see, pull off at this pullback, the bottom cap and handle. Again, look again here. There was this move down, forming the fourth wave. You see, and some traders know that. Now you also probably you know it or you don't know it yet. If you're an Elliott trader, you don't know it. You want to embrace them and work them together. So you come away first wave, second wave, third wave. So the second wave we have the handle forming another small V here. So there was a bigger cap and the handle here. You see? And trader will use this and project it up right there. He set a target there. You see the price did stop there. That is, see, yeah, during the third wave right there. See? It goes above it. Now we switch into market geometry. We project the same thing up. Bringing us here. That's where we are now. You see? Was it useful? That cap there. Yes, it was. And some traders are aware of it. You see now? Are you with me? If you divide that wave into two, okay, talking about this, come down over here, and then one more time there, you see again. All right. Bring you right there. Alright, or if you project it like I did here, draw this green line here, this high here and there, project it, bring you here. Project it one more time, you bring you to where we are now. That zone, somewhere there. Okay? So where we are now, so these are different, that's why it's not the same. So here, you see here this one, it's a round button, a pullback from a kind of a candle here. And again, boom, price is going to a target level. Right there. In that zone, did people take profit? Yes. You see the candlestick bar, the shadow piercing through a target zone. Now they are selling here. Again, we can talk about another bigger handle again here. All right. So with that, so you come your way, first wave, second wave, third wave. There's a target there. There was a target. You project the midpoint, and you see the project one more time. Bring you here, divide into two you see, median line of that red channel. That's where the third wave did stop. I don't want to move that green line. I need it, my friend. So if you have divided that okay, red channel, the median line somewhere there, that's where the third wave did stop. All right. And that third wave was quite neat. Look at that. First mana wave of that third wave, second mana wave of that third wave, third mana wave of that third wave, fourth mana wave of the third wave, and the fifth mana wave of that third wave did stop at the median line of that okay, red channel, which is this projection that we were making before of this round bottom here. You don't want to forget it. You keep doing it. You keep doing it. Okay, yeah. And you can also keep doing this one, as I'll show you here. So I use a conservative measurement instead of pushing it all the way to the tail. That's why I have this one here. That's why I was wondering why I did here. So when you put it from the low here, that's the half of it. You project it, it brings us to this line here. You project it one more time, it brings you okay to the top of the neckline right there. So what I did from here all the way to the tail, this is half of it. I use a conservative measurement here. You project it up there. The initial target that we were using was this one. You don't want to forget it also. It's there. You can divide it into two, see the midpoint target, and you will also be using this as the price is going up. So you count it, so you see, third wave did end here. You see, where did the fifth wave ended? You see, this projection there. So the fourth wave, right there, and now the fifth wave has been extended there. So you see when we were here, you will see the fifth wave somewhere here. Now you understand why they push it all, oops, I move the line, okay. Now you understand why they push it all the way here, because of the target there. So with that exercise, it will help you. So everything. So you see, those who are using the normal chart pattern and the target know where the price is headed. And now you want to combine your idiosyncrasy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. See, measure it. Third way did ended there. Okay, all right. Target level. Fifth way did ended there using normal chart pattern price target level. It just goes on and on and on. Again, when a correction begins, those key level will be still useful to us. It's coming down. All right, for me, see. So more, as I told you before, apart from the chart pattern price target that I was telling you. All right, okay. I did talk about using pitchfork tool automatically after the first and the second way. That's something you should be doing now. But what I want to discuss today, without too much repeating myself, before we were talking about this, you see. So now you see, it's a good level. We're talking about this. This is automatically done. You say horizontal zone intersection between the target level, the pitchfork tool zone. This is a horizontal. You see that pitchfork tool, and that target level is the horizontal zone intersection again. So you see how we retest the edge of the pitchfork tool, and that median line, the pink median line of that red channel, a hot spot trading zone. That's why it's turning around now. So, my intention, as I told traders, is to simplify the area weight theory without diluting it, but also, all right, to shed the green lights on area weight principle trading, which means we can weigh, we'll recognize pattern, area weight pattern. How do we find trading setup using the area weight principle? How do we find those green signal when we are using the area weight principle so we can sell target and know where to sell? See, those who understand the target know that this is the target level. They see this, they say that all those who bought it before are coming out here. Conversion point. We talk about this conversion trading signal. This is a conversion trading signal that is occurring here. Target level, we have a conversion trading signal. A conversion trading signal did occur here. At the target level, okay, one group of traders will be exiting a trade, and when a bullish trader is exiting a trade, he or she must sell. So a bullish trader is selling. Can you believe that? Yes, they are selling. When they are closing the trade, they become bearish traders at the time when they are selling. Now, another group of traders that are selling are normal bearish traders. This was happening here. Bullish traders were selling at the target level, and bearish traders also joined them to sell. If you want to know more about convergence trading signal, go to www.stochasticmardi.com. Look for convergence trading signal by stochasticmardi.com. Google it. You see a web page or videos about convergent trading signal. Well, you see now? And also those things I discussed before, the pitch tools. So we count the wave now, we have it now. So you see, oh, third wave, fourth wave, where the fourth wave will end. Where the fifth wave will end. Use the target. Like I will show you now. Use the target. Alright. Pay attention to the prior high. Prior will see this high here. The prior was trying to retest that high, prior high. That's why you come in there and say, well, it's looking for a better support level. One of the better support are prior high in an uptrend. Okay, here again, you see prior high, you retest that prior high. See high probability trading setup here, common sense support. We were using a top-down trading method here to take it out. Okay, so you just flow with it. Once you count your weight, just flow with it. Like you do everything, just flow with it. Just flow with the price and know where are the key level, where are the resistance level. And then you start seeing those greenish, so to speak. So we say greenish, there's a place in London called Greenwich. Greenwich Meridian, all right? Those greenish, all right, area wave trading signal. So this will conclude our discussion today about the area wave trader. Shed the green light on area wave principle trading. So you know the theory. You can recognize the area wave pattern. You are using the area wave principle. What is the missing puzzle that can allow you to find those greenish area wave trading signal that will help you get something out of this messy market? This is the question that we are answering today. I hope you will find this video also useful, that it will help you to improve your area wave trading. If you have any question or suggestion, as always, I read all the comments, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by sticking your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, or let me know by marking it down. That will force me to work harder for you when I'm recording the next tutorial. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, on Facebook, and also on Tumblr. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. Click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So this will conclude our discussion today about Elliott wave traders shed green light on Elliott wave principle trading. To summarize this video, we are using the Elliott wave principle, but we do not want to forget chart pattern and how we use the chart pattern to set target. Everything that we learned before that were not working perfectly for us, we want to combine them, use them in conjunction with the Elliott wave principle. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about Elliott wave traders share the green light on Elliott wave principle trading. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.